Hello everyone, welcome to Voltrix. Today we will unbox dissolved oxygen meter AD630. Also we check calibration and measure the value. Unbox AD630 meter. Here comes manual, dissolved oxygen probe, PC interface cable, meter, electrolyte solution, membrane cap and batteries. Place the batteries backside. Now we connect the meter with probe. So first of all we have to fill electrolyte solution in probe. Now we put ring. Now tap on the surface to ensure no any bubbles in solution. We had filled electrolyte solution in membrane cap and fitted with the probe. Now we connect with the meter. Tight connector. Now we start meter. So first of all we calibrate meter. So we calibrate the sensor with the 0 oxygen solution. Take the solution in beaker. Now gently stir. Reading goes down. It will take some time. Here reading goes down slowly. Here reading shows 0.0. Now we confirm to calibrate with 0. Now second point calibration is 100% saturation. So we clean the probe. And put it in air. Now when it shows confirm, we will confirm reading. Here shows confirm, so we confirm. So meter is now calibrated. Here we can see the reading in percentage or in ppm. So here we press range button to convert in ppm. So now we measure the value in fresh water. Reading shows 8.18. Now we can store the reading by pressing shift and store key. So it will store the reading. Thank you.